Hey guys, this is CJ from spreadsheet.com, and today I'm going to show you how to limit the maximum number in your spreadsheet without using any formulas. So first go to spreadsheet.com/limit minus maximum minus number. And in the example data here, you have one data that is changed from 85 to 20 in the output. If you scroll down to open the configuration here, you can say that all the data that is above 20, which is defined here in the configuration, shall be not higher than 20. So they shall be limited to 20 if they are above. So in this case, the number 85 is above 20, and in output, it's converted to 20, while all other numbers in your data, they are less than 20, so they will not be converted. And also note that all text in your data, they will not be converted since they are not numbers, and this function only works for numbers. If you paste them in there, it will have no effect. So let's see with another example here. Let's say you have your offline data sheet, you copy them, you paste them here, and you see that all of them, they are bigger than 20. So the output casts them directly to 20. But let's say I only want numbers that is above 50 to be casted to exactly 50. So in this case, you have 100 that is casted to 50, and then you have 85 that is casted to 50. This is a very nice function if you have outliers in your data. Let's say you have a very big data set and the average is around 1 and 2, but sometimes you have data that is like 1,000 or 10,000. So they are way beyond the average data in your data set, sometimes like this. And this data is an outlier. It could be that the data sampling is wrong, or it could be a wrong input, or it could be any reason. And usually we want to disregard them and not include them in a data for further processing. That's why it makes sense to set a maximum threshold for these data sets so that you have still a very clean data that you can work on. And similar, if you want to limit the minimum number, you can go to spreadsheet.com/limit minimum number. And you have the same approach like before, but in this case, it sets the minimum number of your spreadsheet to certain values so that it doesn't get too small. Thanks for watching, and this is how you limit the maximum and minimum number directly online without using any formulas.